This is Dr. Christopher Wood, Arizona Sports Chiropractic, and today we're going to show you another exercise that's going to continue to teach you how to stabilize the lower extremities while we get the rotation and thoracic spine. And this one's pretty golf specific. We call this a standing stabilized thoracic rotation. Jeremy's here helping me out today. So what you're going to need is some sort of device or appliance or something that you can get your knee on. Benches like this work great. The more stable the better. I wouldn't recommend doing it on a couch. And he's going to get his front leg of his golf swing. We're going to do this in both directions, but just to try to isolate the backswing, he's going to put his front leg up on that. His foot will be here, stabilized, and he's going to get into a position of a golf swing. Now again, we want his kneecap lined up with his second toe. This should not move in at all. He's keeping the core and the intra-abdominal pressure very tight. His thoracic spine is nice and straight. He's not hunching. We'll show you another angle later on this. And again, if I'm to push him, he's not budging. He's stabilized. The foot is transferring that force all the way up here, and he's stable. So what he's going to attempt to do is he's going to keep that stable, and he's going to rotate that thoracic spine and then come back and rotate. So he's trying not to turn the hips very much at all. The knee is staying nice and stable. Even during his swing, I can put pressure here and he's not going anywhere. And this is going to give you a great base of support to transfer your weight and also transfer your energy to get that good thoracic rotation. Now, another thing we can do with this is we're going to give him a band and he'll get into that same position, and we'll give him a little resistance. So now he can do that same exercise against resistance. So we're also working on the strength as well. So here's another view of this same exercise. As Jeremy gets down into position here, you can see his knee is lined up, but what I really want you to look at is the position of his spine here. He's not hunching. Go ahead and hunch. So we don't want to see any of this rounding here. So you want to get this up, and you're going to rotate around this axis. So you can see this is nice and straight. His hips are lined up. His stability is here. Go ahead and rotate. And you can see he's getting his rotation, and you can see how much he's getting in rotation from here. And this is something that we can work on. So again, this is our standing stabilized thoracic rotation, very golf specific. You can do it with or without resistance. And as always, if you have any questions on these exercises, please call the office at 602-258-9663. Ask to speak with myself, and I'll walk you through it. We can help you out. And if you'd like to come in for an appointment, you always receive a discount. Thanks again for watching.